Did you do that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Did you do that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Check it out now, brother. We're getting rid of these nasty ass, well, I've already got rid of them, horribly night shaded taillights and their LEDs as well, and some of the LEDs were cooked and it's just all around not nice, all right? So Jared's gotten some lovely replacement. I believe they're the JDM version, but they're also not because they've also got LEDs in them, but they're slightly different. So the reverse light moves from here to down here, and then it's a full length indicator up the top. That's the different, and they don't have night shade all over them. And all the LEDs work, so putting them in. And if you remember, way back when, it's been a hot minute, but we went to that morning session and G up broke and this broke and everything broke. Finally got the parts for the gearbox, so I'm gonna slap that back together. Not slap, I'm gonna put it back together very professionally and put it back in the car. And then this thing is pretty much ready to go. I'm just mounting up the front number plate because he needs that for legality reasons on the street. Even though it's got some other things, but we won't worry about that. That's neither here nor there. And yeah, that's it. That's what we're doing. Let's go. Let's get into it. Apparently we are.
Whoa. Big strong boys.
It's perfect. Last night we let the liquor fall and get you up. There we are.
Do we get to work at my level today?
Yeah, only until the gearbox is hanging there, and then we're going to lay down.
Go on. Lubricate the shaft. You go. Nowhere, Joe. No, just in.
Just in. Oh yeah, sounded nice, didn't it?
That's a lot closer than what it was, mate.
You know?
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
You even a man, George?
Right. You know?
Mm-hmm.
I brought my top teeth down on your shoulder. I didn't bite. Strong. Oh, smash. You wouldn't smash avocado. Ah,
There we go. How much on my Lord, oh my man, Racing mommy under the Christmas tree. You wanna fat shame me, yeah? Call me a fat boy, yeah?
Yeah, you want to
Oh, just call me a fat boy, yeah?
fat shame me, money.
Oh, mommy, just fat shame me. I'm trying to help mommy. You can use that somewhere. Yeah, thank you. Oh, that's my belly. Yeah, push my belly. Nah. Yeah, no. Push. Oh, it's not pushing, is it? It's tight. Daddy. Oh, you got it. No, you're not pushing. No, no, pushing. I did have it. You did have it. You got it.
I did.
You did get it. You got it. You got it.
I got it.
Don't put it in my face. Nah, it's gonna go. Yeah.
Shut up!
Ah.
Only where it has to go. You plugged this into the wrong one.
I didn't plug anything in.
You did.
I didn't touch it.
Somebody did it.
George, I didn't do it.
You did, didn't you?
We can't. They're different plugs.
They're not different plugs.
Nah, there might be. What's this one?
They're not
What's this then? I can see clearly now the name
I can see all the obstacles in my way. I don't know what to do no more. I want you where to reach.
Don't fly things. That was an accident. Where's that? Draw something on, please. Thank you. Loosen him. No, yeah, that's not.
Oh, wrong way.
That's not working. Now tighten him back up.
Yeah,
Yeah, those 4 bolts, I'd probably go on there, I reckon. 3 or 4 maybe. No. That's it.
it's just 2 bolts.
Yeah, no, there's one here. It's 2 there, 3 there. That's 3. You probably got 2 in it. You probably got those ones. The 3 there. Now put those down ones. Yeah, just down ones there.
Don't!
It's easier than that.
Don't! Don't! I'm trying to do something.
It always leaked on it.
It didn't leak.
Did.
It didn't leak. It
Oh,
did.
no, no. I'm just changing the diff keys here, George. I'm just making myself look busy. Oh, yum. Hey, look at that. Ooh, juicy boy. Yes. I think we've got 4 threes in there now, Stu, eh? That's why they're so short. 21, 22, 21. 22, 21. Yeah, that's that. It's a 3.7. So we can hit. Look at me, I'm doing something. So what was in this? Great wood?
Help! I don't have enough hands.
Wow.
You like that? Not a drop.
Did you feel that by yourself? Yeah, I did. How much is that? 2.5 litres.
No.
What is it?
1.5 litres.
What did you go through? Oh, no.
Last night we let the liquid talk. Push my arms.
It is hard to push. I'll give you a blank. How much is in there?
1.5 litres.
I need to go 2. You hold that in there then?
Why?
No, I'll put it in there. I've got it. Oh, got it. Wait.
I'll get a little thing for it.
Ready? Always hurts.
Use this one.
You're
Doing it.
doing it, Daddy. Yeah, I've done it as much as I can. Can you hold that?
I got my bin, man.
Yeah. Can you hold it?
Can you want?
Can you hold it?
Yeah, hold it.
Yeah, hold it. Oh, that sounds so good. Is that good? Let's go. Pull. Oh no, sorry, pull. Oh, I can get it placed right. There we go. Squirty man, I think that's all I got. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
What do you got?
Carmen's protein bakes. Salted caramel.
Oh, PC.
Hell yeah. Well, let's start a fire. 12 years experience in hammer handle fixing.
True.
Yeah.
Man, I've been cutting hickory since I was knee high. Make sure she's I want warranty, bro.
Warranty?
Yeah.
No worries.
Yeah, thanks, Copper. Yeah, you want to get some grit on that, mate. Nah, use a thicker, bro. Just upper. You'll be there for ages. Word.
Yeah.
Don't move my belt, bro. I'm using that today.
Went too far last time, so I'm going
No,
the
I
right
didn't.
amount.
I went enough at the top. I just needed to go longer.
No, yeah, you went too far.
Like we've been turning handles for the past 20 years.
We got a handle on it.
We got a hand on them. This is out of a cedar forest. It's 5,000 years old.
It's out of the Triceric area.
Wow.
If we went any more like timber any below this, it'd be fossilized.
So I reckon how this one actually holds it in is you got to bash it past that lip.
So just give her a couple of donkeys on the ground.
I don't want to get it stuck. Well, I got to give it a donkey this way first. To get it.
And give it a mean down donkey.
I don't want it to fall.
Straight. Mate, just hold up and work till I get back.
Yeah, mate.
That's what you want, isn't it?
Now we don't have the wedge in there. The wedge to go that way. Yeah, really good. I'm just figuring out which way is the best way to cut the wedge.
Well, if you have a look at my previous hammer, it looks nothing like the one we've got. So I've done that.
That's the wedge across there.
True gone.
Flush?
No. Not yet, no. What? I don't think so. And then sleeve it over, get it started, then knock it all off at the end. Yeah, so I won't let you cut that without wedging it first. Leave it the way it is, or otherwise do it properly.
Just for stall cars here.
Nah, that's just our f***ing like #1 tool in the workshop. I use that more than the welder.
Sam's a bit of a tool.
Sam is a bit of a tool, not be fixed. Get a station set up.
See, this makes it really strong. A lot of people don't know that. It's 8:09 and we've already fixed a hammer. What have you done today? Seamless restoration.
Okay.
It's all fixed.
Wow, that's really fixed.
Another happy customer. Bye. Go get your Subway. No, you can come through. You're right. No, come through. It's good. It's good timing. Huh? It's good timing. While I've got you here, don't forget, if you're in Toowoomba, local to the area, we can sort all your wheel alignment and tyre needs. Mainly race/street performance orientated, but if you want a high quality wheel alignment, we got you covered. If you got a nice car, you know, it doesn't necessarily have to be a race car, but if it's nice and you take pride in what you've got, we'll get you sorted. If you like your things, we like your things too. Come on through. Oh yeah, I'm just.
Can you align me?
Oh, I could try, but you're gonna need some camber arms. Yeah. So Jared's car, the 2J S15, went on the dyno. Originally we went down there, he just wanted a 1200 horsepower dyno sheet, that's what he said he wanted. So we accidentally did that way too easily. So when we're at the track with that thing, Stewie's always monitoring EGTs and stuff like that. So we're always trying to get our EGTs across the 6 cylinders nice and close together. Individual cylinder fueling gets more and more accurate as we go along. So all those little changes that you make at the track can correlate to a much smoother running engine without actually changing much of the tune. Last time we ran it up, it went 1150, I believe. This time we ran it up on the dyno without actually touching anything, just bolted it up and ran it up as it was, and it went 1257. So we sort of, when that happened, we didn't actually have to do anything to get that. We decided to turn it up because we were already down there, so we may as well. So added a bit of duty cycle to the gate, bit of timing as well, added a degree across the top, and we went 1338 at 40 pound. That is where we've left it. So 1338 at 40 pound. We did play with some of the nitrous stuff as well to get it come on. Holy. Some of the nitrous to get it coming on a bit earlier. That car wasn't laggy at all, but we did have 4.3 diff gears in it. So we originally put the 4.3 diff gears in there to make sure it was nice and easy for him to drive, in a sense of like give him a broader power range with the 4.3s. Since he got used to it a little bit, we wanted to give him the longer diff gears to be able to use some of the wheel speed a bit better, but you're going to have to drive the car more efficiently, if that makes sense. I think that makes sense. Makes sense, doesn't it, George? Yeah, totally. And put the 2 tunes in it, so it's got the 1250 tune, and then it's also got the 1338 tune. At that 40 pound, that turbo is pretty much out, so it's a G45 1500. That engine combo is literally, it's only just starting to work. It's just eating up all that boost. Put the GDX50 on there, put Andy's GDX50 on there, that thing would be making the same power as Andy's car, no worries, if it had the fuel to do so. But just to recap, it's a 3.2 billet 2JZ. So it's barely even working at that 1300 horsepower. So I'm gonna get it back to Jared and he's gonna go and drive it again, I guess, hey. And next up, I've said this 3 videos in a row, but the Datsun's going back together, the black Datsun, maybe. Holy, he's hurting those tyres. They're screaming. Yeah, thanks for coming, thanks for watching, thanks for coming. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. And stay tuned for more RB content. There's a really, really busy, well, potentially a really, really busy couple of weeks coming up. So get on board for that. And we'll see you then. See you on the next one. Get your tyres done.
Pushed out of my eyesight. Yeah, this thing. So I don't have to. George.
I'm not a thing.
Smell that. Does that smell fake to you?
Yeah, a little bit.
It does. What do you mean? Is that a spare piece of hickory?
No, that looks like Merbauer.